how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. If you want to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger, you can use the secure storage backup via a PIN, Apple ID or Google account when you first log into an app on a new device. So now when you open up the Messenger application over here, let me just try that, right? I'll go ahead and then launch the Messenger app like this. And as long as I'm logged into my Facebook account, first of all, it's going to automatically log me into my Messenger or Facebook account as well. So I can just do that and I can tap the login button first. Now this is just a normal login, but some end-to-end encrypted chats might not actually be saved. So in that case, first of all, let me just give access to this account. And once I've allowed this login, I'll have to wait a couple of seconds until Messenger app has gotten notified of it and approves it. And once it's done doing that, you can see it will log me in instantly. And after that, it will say me restore chat history on this device. So that restoration is the end-to-end encrypted chats. So you must remember the PIN that you had previously kept. I'll just enter that PIN over here. And once done, I'll be able to restore all of my previous chat history that were also encrypted. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.